Hey there guys, Zahid Hussein, owner of Arrow Insurance Agency here. I'm going to make a quick video for you guys about what an independent insurance agent is. Okay, so we've gotten that question a lot since we left our previous agency and we opened an independent agency. So I guess the best way to do this is going to dive into it in three different parts and describe to you what the different pipelines for coverage you can get, or different companies you can use. So first is going to be the 1-800 numbers that you can call. That's not companies like you're going to see advertising online or on TV with a 1-800 number that you can call in, and they are examples of those are going to be like Geico, General, things of that nature. Number two is a captive agent. You see these around your town a lot. They usually have big branding, big advertising. State Farm, Allstate, Farmers are some examples of those, but they only represent one carrier in most cases there. And three is the independent agent. So the difference between an independent agent is we go out and we're able to get contracts with multiple companies. Some have 10 contracts, some have 20, some have 30, some have as few as 5. Personally in our agency we already have 30 carriers here. So the difference for us is we are able to go ahead and shop you guys around with multiple carriers and not just one carrier. There's more competition in the market for us here. Sorry, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I got a little bit of a prompter to keep me on track because I can get way off track and on a different subject. So there are a few things to talk about when you're buying insurance, and that is 4 different things is the different components of buying coverage. Number 1 is speed. So you need a quote and you need it quick. That's going to be a 1-800, and the reason being is it's automated. You plug in your info, they give you a number, and either like it, go with it, or you don't. Local. Now local, you can go to a captive or independent agent. They both usually have an office in your area where you can go sit down and talk the agent about what you're looking for. And obviously you don't get that with a 1-800 number. You don't get that local service. Quality. Now, when I say quality, I mean your policy is put together the right way. You have the proper coverages, the right deductibles, and who is going to provide you with the best quality policies and the best quality companies. In general, Best Access is going to give you the best quality, and since independent agents have more carriers and more options, they can give you some of the best quality policies. And when I say best quality policy, that means a policy that fits you and your needs, not a policy that's catered for their company. Everybody's needs are different, and if your agent isn't asking you about what your needs are, what's important to you, asking you questions about your home, your family, then they're not giving you the best policy for your family or for yourself. Okay. And finally, price. I will say this: no one can say they have their best price. So price depends on so many different factors at so many different moments in time. Any company may have the best price at the moment in time when you are shopping. However, as you know, that price can change. Price is always changing. They can go up, they can go down, not as much as we'd like. Now, an independent agent will know the rise and fall of price in the marketplace and can offer a company with the strongest price and quality in the marketplace at any given moment. And as time passes, if that company no longer has the strongest price and quality, they can look at another company for you and see what they can offer at that given moment. So renewals are always looked at every time they come up, what the price increase is, what the change is, and we can go back to the market and shop you because of that. So, what is an independent insurance agency? I know we went through all of that and give you a reason to start watching this. Access to multiple, often exclusive companies. Works for not the company. Yes, they have a relationship with that company, but they are choosing to work with them, not working for them. Motivated by quality and good advice. You go to them for an advisor. Yes, you go to them for good companies. Yes, you go to them for good price, but you are going to them because you want the advisor. You want the agent, okay? The agent that's doing the best job for you and your family to make sure that you get the right coverages in place, that if something does happen, you're covered. Why would we want to pay for insurance that's not going to cover us? That's really throwing money away. Everybody's already thinking about, hey, insurance, I'm throwing my money away. I'm giving it to a cause that's never going to take care of me. And if there is a loss and your agent didn't do the job, you might be right. You could be very right in that assumption. But if you've got a good agent that's done their job, that has identified the risk to you and your family, any gaps in coverage, and made sure you're covered properly, you're not throwing your money away. You're protecting yourself. Independent agents also help with claims. So if you go to a 1-800 number, you don't know your agent. You don't know who they are. You don't got to face with them. You can't pick up the phone and give them a ring and say, hey, so-and-so, this claim's going on. Could you help guide me? Could you help get me in contact with the claims adjuster? You're always going to be in that queue for the 1-800 number. And then if you work with a captive agent, you know, they work for the company. They don't work for you. Now with an independent agent, you are still working with the company because the company is the one paying out of the claim. But if you have an issue with the claim or something is going on and you need help with it, you have your agent who can help out and mediate and help make a bad situation, make it better, and help you understand exactly what's going on. Claims are a trick in itself. Oftentimes we tell our clients, I may not have the information you want here, but I have the information that will help you understand why things are the way they are. And we can help you navigate those confusing situations. Alrighty, that is what an independent agent is. I hope that clarifies for you. I hope I've answered some questions for you. I hope that you have a better understanding of the different areas that you can purchase insurance and the benefits of one versus the other. We are working on bringing more informational videos to you. So hit that subscribe button so don't miss them. And until next time, you guys take it easy.